Hey guys, we are in the Maldives and this is going to be a room tour of the over the water bungalow, and the name of the resort is Sheraton Moon. And I'm just going to go enter the room, but look at the water, so beautiful. And then we have here our room 124, and we are going in here, and walking lady is here as well. And then let's just start with here. So we have here the closet, and then there's the beach towel, and then some hangers and stuff. And here's a seating area. And what do you have here? You have here, oh, just the sleepers and safe and bathrobe and laundry bags and stuff. And then here we have a workstation where you can work. And then here is the kind of the drinks center, and they give some nuts, but these are not free. You have to pay for these, and they already provided a price list here. But if you look at the price, you can see that they're very expensive. So that's how it is here. And then we have more alcohol or alcoholic drinks on the top, and then here's the coffee station. Now the coffee station is free, so you can use the coffee and tea without being charged. And here they have wine cellar, and there are wines and stuff and alcohol. Actually, I see there's even a fridge here, and there are some drinks, but I think these are all paid. And I'm just going to close this here. Oh, there's something here. What's this here? Okay, so these are some teas and spoon and sugar. And so let's look at the bed, and you can see that it says happy birthday. So this is a gift for walking lady, so that's why you see the message happy birthday, and she was surprised. And also, this is our first night on one over the water villa. Tomorrow we are moving to another over the water villa, which has a pool or plunge pool. This one does not have a pool. So here they arranged a birthday cake and some complimentary fruits and snacks. And this is kind of a sitting area, and the TV is huge. And let me show you the best part, which is the over the water balcony. And here, this is really beautiful, and you can just stay here and enjoy the ocean and enjoy the sun. Now here there are stairs to slide into the ocean, and looks like the depth is not that bad. I think you can just go there even if you don't know how to swim. And they have actually gave live vest inside, and you can just go here later. And this is Maldives. And let me show you the washroom. The washroom is nice as well. So let me close this one first to retain the heat. And we have the washroom here, and this side is the toilet, so they're separated. There's the toilet right there, and this side has rain shower and shower system. So here they have shampoo, conditioner, body wash and everything, and then the huge rain shower. And the best part is the bathtub, and you can see that this has to be one of the most beautiful and luxurious bathtubs in the world. Now when you're looking at it, just by looking at it, I feel like I'm gonna take a bath here every day for the rest of my life, but that's unrealistic. But see, this is a very good place to just unwind, relax, take a bath, and look in the ocean, and you have the full view. And then here there's the faucet, towels, body lotion and stuff, and look at the mirror. And then here's some more shaving cream, shower cap and conditioner, body wash and all sort of stuff. So that was the Sheraton Moon over the water bungalow without the pool. And tomorrow we are moving to the over the water with pool, so that's going to be a separate video. So thank you for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.